Hey guys, I just want to talk about really adjustable women's and youth bows really quick. This is one that we have that fits the topic. This is a Bear Young Gun. It is adjustable draw length from 13 to 27 inches with no bow press. You just loosen this bolt and slide the little cam and lock it back in. Now, when you're doing that, it also says the draw weight of these bows are adjustable. Usually anywhere from like 15 all the way up to 50 pounds, which is quite a range. So how that works is as your draw length increases, your weight increases. So don't think you're going to be able to get a bow that's 25-inch draw and you're going to be pulling 20 pounds. So it's definitely linear as far as weight and draw length go. There is some adjustability with, just like any bow is, probably plus or minus 5 to 10 pounds using screwing the limbs down all the way. So these bows like this are definitely not high performance bows. So don't buy one thinking you're getting a speed demon bow. These bows are adjustable, one size fits all bows. So just like anything, when you have something that's good at everything, it's not going to be the best at one thing. It's good at being adjustable. It's a great shooting bow. So in that respect, I definitely recommend one. I don't even know if they sell this exact Bear Young Gun anymore. They probably have I think they have a Bear Young Gun 2. And I hope this bow right here, this 10-year-old bow, my boy's going to shoot his first archery, his first compound bow deer with next year. So, not this boy. He'll be 9 for this coming hunting season. So, yep, that's it. Just wanted to explain a little bit behind the fully adjustable bows. So, if you have any questions, drop a comment below, and I would love to help you get your kid or your wife their first bow.